Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and I'm going to show you how you can easily configure the Bluetooth connectivity. At first, open the settings and here go to the connections. Select Bluetooth. Here now, as you can see, our phone is now trying to find any device that's available. Open the pairing mode on your device. And now, wait a moment. To make the process of pair, you need to now here tap scanner once again if you didn't manage to do this at first time, and wait. As you can see, here are my AirPods, and here now to make a pair, you need to here tap pair. Logically, right? Here, gear icon. Here, as you can see, we have got the audio device type. Here I've got calls. When it's disabled, it can cause some bug and connectivity issues. Audio, which is actually rather normal. Rename because we can rename our headphones. Disconnect because we can disconnect from them even though they are turned on. And as you can see, apart from that, if we tap these three dots in the top right corner, we can see advanced settings. Here I've got sync with Samsung Cloud, music share, Bluetooth control history, or Bluetooth block pairing requests. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.